Hello and welcome. In this video, we will explain the difference between grouping and merging in Colorize Pro. Grouping and merging are both powerful tools, but they serve different purposes when editing color regions. Let's start with grouping. Grouping allows you to organize multiple color regions into a single group based on certain criteria, like color similarities or object associations. When you group color regions, you can apply edits to the entire group at once, making it easier to manage complex models with many color regions. Grouping doesn't change the individual color regions themselves. It simply makes it more efficient to work with them collectively. Now, let's talk about merging. Merging is a more permanent action that combines multiple color regions into a single region. When you merge, the selected color regions are consolidated, meaning they will share the same color and behave as a single region moving forward. This can be useful for simplifying your model, especially if you have multiple tiny regions that you want to manage as one. However, unlike grouping, merging cannot be easily undone, so it's important to be sure before you proceed with merging color regions. We have covered grouping in a dedicated guide before, but we have not covered merging. So, how do we merge? Click on this Merge button to open the Merging Tool tab. This tool will merge all the selected colors and provides it with a new ID of your choice. Alternatively, you can simply shift-click on the Merge button. This will automatically find an available ID for the generated group and merge it without the need to open the Merging Tool tab. Now, let's test this by selecting a group and merging into a single color region. In fact, let's do this to two of the groups to simplify our model drastically. Once merged, the merged region will be represented by this icon, marked with the letter M. Now, if you do merge and want to reverse it, the best way is to load one of your saved instances. Saving and loading instances will be covered in their own guide. One thing to note, if you merge color regions and build your texture, the next time you come back to that texture and edit it with Colorize Pro, those merged regions will remain merged, even if you had selected Prevent Same Color Merging when you built that texture. In summary, grouping is about organizing and simplifying your workflow by collecting regions into manageable groups, while merging is about permanently combining those regions into one. Use grouping when you want flexibility and organization, and consider merging when you need to consolidate regions permanently. Thank you for watching, and we hope this explanation helps you use grouping and merging effectively in Colorize Pro.